Ever wonder how a simple walk in the park can change your entire day? Today, we're diving into the incredible power of connecting with the great outdoors. Picture this: you're standing barefoot on soft grass, feeling the earth beneath your toes. The sun warms your face as a gentle breeze rustles through the leaves. Suddenly, you feel it. That indescribable connection to something bigger than yourself. So here's your challenge. Carve out some time today to step outside. Whether it's a quick stroll or a full-on forest bath, give yourself the gift of nature's embrace. Remember, in this fast-paced world, sometimes the best way to move forward is to pause and reconnect with the earth beneath our feet. How do you connect with nature? Share your favorite outdoor spots in the comments below. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll see you in the great outdoors.